Hi all, Elaine here from MRE Studio Designs, and today I'm going to be working with some Primo white translucent and some alcohol inks. I have a magenta, the purple passion, and the Baja blue. So I think you've probably seen this done before, but hopefully we're going to do it just a little bit different. So the first thing I want to do is I want to cut my white translucent into 3 pieces. And this is not conditioned, obviously, it's a brand new bar. And we're going to chop each of the 3 pieces. Because I don't want to get my desk all dirty, we're going to put a piece of plastic wrap down. Like that. And we're going to put our 3 piles in here. Because we're working with alcohol inks, I also want to put a pair of gloves on. So what we're going to do is we're going to color each one of these separately. Just going to mix that all up. Get it nice and covered. We'll do the magenta next. Go. Between your hands again. And the last one is the purple. Okay, so now we have to wait for those to dry. And when they're dry, I will be back. Okay, so they're pretty much dry. So what I want to do is I want to just bring the same color together. Okay, so what we want to do is to flatten this out into a rectangular shape. the same thing with this one. And same thing with this one. So here we have 3 layers. And let's see what it looks like. And there you go. 3 different colors going from one to the other. Okay, so here we have a piece of the white translucent rolled out on a number 3. And we're going to take some slices from here. And put them on here. Just like that. There we go. We're going to put these on the side. Do something with those later. This off to save later for another project. Just going to roll that a little bit. We're just going to run it through our pasta machine. Okay, so now we have this. And let's see what we're going to do with that. Okay, so we're going to make some earrings. Let's see what we got. There we go. And we're going to put these in the oven for 30 minutes at 275, the recommended time and temperature for Scopi Primo. And once they're come out, we're going to resin them, put some findings on them, and then we'll be all done. So I will be right back. So here we are at the end of our tutorial, and this is the cane we made. Kind of looks like a Neapolitan ice cream to me, and some of the earrings that we made. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, leave a suggestion, and I will see you next time. Thank you.